all right?
Hey there, little guy. You've got a little friend living here in the corner.
I do? Shit. I'm sorry. I tried to kill these guys. I'm sorry.
It's a little mouse. It's all right. Oh, no, it's just a little mouse.
Die! Die!
Don't let me interrupt.
No, we have a rodent issue. Little bastards destroy my seed pods.
I'd hate for anyone to even touch my seed pods. Send this to my girlfriend.
Our delivery driver's leaving. Ari,
Stop them, it's our anniversary.
you have another delivery.
I've got a date tonight. Is this going in town?
Here's the address.
I can do that, sir.
She has to get them today. I almost forgot.
Would you rather use an anniversary card for that?
For a quickie in the back seat? No. Oh, you shouldn't have.
They're from my wife.
Big fight?
No. Well, yes.
Have fun making up?
Oh, I'm sorry about the mess.
A mouse couldn't have done any better.
I'd like these.
Your wife will love these. They smell wonderful.
Oh, they do? I wouldn't know. I don't have a sense of smell.
Really? Oh.
Oh no, I've never had a sense of smell. Just born that way.
Really? You don't know what you're missing.
If I don't know, how can I miss it?